आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Here the given question says that A is a point whose coordinate is AB in the first quadrant. If two circle passes through the point A and touches the coordinate axis and cut at a right angle, then what are the conditions? Okay. At first we draw a diagram for this purpose. So this is. Now we take a circle. Here this is a circle. Okay. Touch the coordinate axis, and here P be the point whose coordinate is AB. Now this is the center. If this is and that are perpendicular, so this is the center of the circle. So if it is a R, then it is also R. Okay, so the center of this circle is R comma R. Now so the equation of the circle which touch the both coordinate axis is, we can say, x minus r upon square plus y minus r. This is plus y minus r, that square equals to the radius is r square. Okay, so so that point passes through the that circle passes through the point AB. So a minus r upon square plus b minus r square equals to r square. So this is, if we evaluate this, then we have r square plus r square means r square plus that is minus, sorry, minus 2, if we common 2r, then we have a plus b, and also we have a square plus b square. Also we have a square plus b square. Okay, so this is the reduced form of that equation. If we this is a quadratic equation for r. So if we say that r1 and r2 be the root of that equation, r1 and r2 be the roots, then we can say r1 plus r2 equals to is nothing. This is 2 into a plus b. Okay, and r1 r2, that is the product of the root, is a square plus b square. So now we know about a formula. If that two circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f1 2g1x plus 2f1y plus c1 equals to 0, and also this is the level 2 circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2g2x plus 2f2y plus c2 equals to 0, then then that two circle cut orthogonally, then that condition is 2f1 g1 to g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 equals to c1 plus c2. So using this formula, we have if we consider that two circle whose radius is r1 and r2. So the both circle of the center is r1 r1 and r2 comma r2. Okay, so if we write the circle, then we have x minus r1 upon square plus y minus r1 square equals to r1 square. Okay, so if we calculate this, then we have x square plus y square, that is minus 2 x r1 plus, sorry, this is minus 2 y r1 plus r1 square. Okay, which is 0. Also if we consider the another circle, then we have this is the one circle, and another circle is we can write for r1 by replace it r1 by r2. Okay, so 2x r2 minus 2y r2 plus r2 square. In the given question says that that two circle cut orthogonally. That means they cut perpendicular to each other. So you know the condition for the orthogonally cut orthogonally condition. So we have here here f1 means 2, here 2 into g1 g2. Here g1 is r1, So R1 and G2 is R2. So 2 R1 R2 here is plus. So this is 2 here F1 means R1 and F2 means also R2 equals to here this C1 plus C2. Here C1 means R1 square plus R2 square. Okay, so R1 square plus R2 square. So we have 4 R1 R2 equals to R1 square plus R2 square. Okay, now if we add 2 R1 R2, then we have 6 R1 R2, and here we add 2 R1 R2, then it is a plus b the whole square. So R1 plus R2 upon square. Okay, now we putting the value of this. So here we calculate this. R1 plus R2 equals to 2 into a plus b, and R1 R2 equals to a square plus b square. So here we put 2 into a plus b whole square. Okay, and here 6 into R1 plus R1 into R2, that is a square plus b square. Okay, so here we have 4. If we reduce this or evaluate this, then we have 4a square plus 4b square equals to 4. That is 4ab. Okay, if we common 4, then we cancel out easily 4. So a square plus b square equals to ab. So that is the condition. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।